YouTube channel. So today I am creating a keychain using my embroidery machine. I've been trying it for about 2 weeks now, so we're gonna see how it is. I am using leather fabric, so I'm using leather to make my keychain with. I'm using the white leather, and then I am also on top of it for a stabilizer. I'm using the cutaway stabilizer that I got from Amazon. So I'm trying this out to see how it go. I do have the tension set at 3. I'm close to 3, actually, not quite 3 is where I have my tension set to, so that way it gives me a nice design. I know that is the best design for leather, or for what I'm working with rather, or 6 is actually the better one. So if you don't have a stabilizer, you can also use the stick and tear, which is pretty good, but I am using the cutaway stabilizer. Okay, and we're just seeing how this go. It's turning out good. I am doing it, y'all. It took forever and 10 days for me to learn this, and the whole time I had the wrong foot on. Yeah, right. So this is one of my trials and errors. Yeah, I'm learning. I am learning. It's all about learning. Alright, so y'all see that coming together all nicely. I did digitize this myself, so I'm learning the system as well as the machine. Yay me. It's actually been fun though, seriously. Alright, so I'm just letting the machine do what it do, and I'm just watching, making sure that there's no stops, no jumps. Make sure everything come out nice and neat, and it did. So I just added some little razzle dazzle to it. I also put a piece of leather on to the back of it to make it a little bit more professional, presentable rather. And here is my keychain.